You know say October 18 na World Menopause Day? The theme for 2023 na cardiovascular disease. They don see say the way a woman dey do her menses, dey get belle, dey do menopause, e fit affect how she go get cardiovascular disease when she don old. So menopause dey affect women 45 to 55 years. And e be like journey when get 3 phases: the perimenopause, menopause, and postmenopause. Menopause itself gon be say the woman no get period for 1 year. Wetin dey cause this menopause be say e get chemical for body when dem dey call hormone, and those hormones don dey small. Those specific hormones na estrogen and progesterone. E get 6 symptoms when you fit get with menopause, and dem be night sweat, hot flushes, irregular periods, weight gain, mood changes, and sleep wahala. E get treatment and advice when you go fit get when this journey go just smooth for you. But abeg, make you ask your doctor make e tell you wetin dem be. Thank you for watching this video. Abeg, make you hit the like button, and if you wan see more video like this, make you just subscribe. Thank you.